The purpose of this video is to show you some planner items that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. The brand name is called Agenda 52. This video will be helpful to you if you want to know what type of planner items that Hobby Lobby has to offer. Also, I will be showing the Her Point of View monthly tabs in this video, and I also will be showing you these Macaron planners that I purchased because in this video I'm going to make my friends and family planner gifts. So if you're interested in giving your friends and family planner gifts, this video will be helpful to you, and we're going to get started right now. Hi everyone, my name is Tanya. I make videos on practical planning. If you are new to my channel, welcome. If you're watching from Facebook, please be sure to head over to my Facebook page and like and follow me there so you'll be notified of when I put out another great video. And if you are on Instagram, please follow me at Tanya_plans. So I think how I'm going to start this video today is I'm going to pretty much quickly go through each one of these items so you can see how they look up close. There was a sale during Black Friday where all these items were 50% off. So I thought it was a great opportunity to pick up planner inserts for my friends and family. So this is the Agenda 52 brand, which is made by the Paper Studio. And as you can see here, these are called Girly paper clips, and you get 4 of them. And I think these are the cutest little things. Let's take a quick look at these. Okay, so these are like little paper clips, and like this one has a cute little rhinestone on it here. It's made like, looks like this on the back, and it looks like this on the front, and this is about how thick it is. So this you would put, I'm going to show you, this is my planner that I use. This is my Filofax Malden planner, and I'm just going to quickly show you how this will look in your planner. So you can clip pages together and use these little cute clips like that. And when you close your planner, these little cute clips can kind of stick up like that. Now some people take and they keep these clips like on this part, just like as a little cute accessory to your planner, which is very, very cute. So those are the Agenda 52 Girly paper clips. Next, these are some additional, these are called bow paper clips. And these are like little cute bows, and they're like iridescent, and these have glitter on them. Now these clips, these are the Recollections, and I actually got this from Michael's. These are the Recollection Creative Year 3-piece magnetic bookmarks. So this one says stay humble. This one is like the shape of a diamond, and this is like a turquoise green. Now this planner clip is very different from the Franklin Covey planner clip. As you can see, the back side, this is completely cardboard, and these are like little magnetic pieces that were just glued on. Now real quickly, I'm going to grab the Franklin Covey clip and show you the difference between these. But these are the magnetic clips from Franklin Covey, and as you can see, the magnetic back covers the whole back, where this one from Michael's only covers a smaller portion. Next, let's go over these are the meal planner inserts from Agenda 52. Now I got a great deal on these. Like when it says that it's $4.99 up here, I got everything half off. So all of these inserts were around $2. This would have been $2.50. It was just a great deal going on at the time. But this is in the personal size. Hobby Lobby also sells planner items in the classic size. So this is these are the meal planner sheets. They are colorful, and what it has here is at the top it says meal planner, and then you can put in which week you're on, and here these are the days of the week: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So you can write in what you plan to fix as far as meals right down here, and over here is a grocery list. And I like that, that they're filled out on the front and back. You get the same thing. I like that these are colorful. So these inserts will also fit your Filofax Malden. This is my Filofax Malden. And if you want to get inserts from Hobby Lobby, you can certainly do that. As you can see, they fit just fine. Okay, next I'm going to show you, this is the daily task list. These are daily task pages. And with these, you get 36 double-sided sheets, if you were wondering. And at the top here, it says daily task, and you can write in the week that you are on, and it has the days of the week going down the page like that. And it's the same thing on the back. Next are the budget planner inserts, and I love anything budget related, anything that will help me manage my money. I love it. But these I do plan to give to family and friends. Now this says budget at the top, and for the month of, you can write in the month, and right here you can write in your household income. And here in this column, you can write the category for your expenses. For example, your housing expense, your electricity expense, gas, etc. This column is for where you budget your expenses. This is where you will write in your actual expenses. And this in this column you write in what's due and what's been paid. And it's the same. Oh no, on the back is different. So on the back here it has for the month of, and you can write that in. Right here you can put a motivational quote. Right here it talks about planning ahead, so if you have future plans you can put it in this spot right here. Right here it says your monthly goal. Right here is a notes section, and right here looks like a little cute tracker. The days of the week are at the top, so you can like check off, like for example, if you're trying to keep track of something during the month, you could track it here. Okay, so next here we have these are planner pocket folders with Trendy with foil is what it says. Okay, so this is one of the pocket folders in the personal size, and it has like a cute foil emblem here with a heart, and that's how the back looks. And let me show you the other ones that are in my planner. So that's one of the foil ones you get, and this is the other foil one you get, which I love, this black and white stripe. I think it's so pretty. So you have it, you can stick papers, and I like to stick papers and receipts. On this one it says you got this, and this is in foil writing, and on the back it is striped. And the third pocket divider is this one. Now I don't know if you can see that, but these are foiled flowers on here. So these look very nicely. They look premium. For the price that I paid, I'm really impressed with the quality of these tab dividers. The next item that I'm going to show here, these are weekly schedule inserts. In this package, you get 26 double-sided sheets. And at the top here, it says schedule, and you can put in the week of. There's a little clock there. And in this column, it says activity. And the activities that they have written in here are like clean kitchen, clean bathroom, clean bedroom, laundry, change sheets, vacuum, mop, dust, lawn care. This is kind of cool. These activities pretty much appeal to a wide range of people. And so with each activity, you can mark off the day that you've done it. Like when you clean the kitchen, you can kind of just mark it off on each, because the days of the week are at the top here. And on the back is totally open for you to write in whatever activity you want to put in. So that's cool too. And also what I thought was cool is that these are floral devotional inserts. So if you have a friend or loved one, or maybe yourself are really into doing devotions, this might be a cool insert that you want to look into. So at the top here, it says devotional. And it says here, prayer changes things. And then here, this section is for prayer requests. And right here, it says answered prayers. So this is great because when you write in stuff like answered prayers, it's about being grateful. You are reflecting and saying, you know what, my prayers were answered in regards to this. right here in this section is scripture reference, and right here are reminders, and there are little crosses going down the page there. And right here it says, what simple, though not always easy, instruction from God's Word are you struggling to follow? And on the back here is just a blank page for sermon notes. So these are great inserts for if you take notes in church. These inserts will be great for that, because like each Sunday or whatever day you go to church, you can like fill out one of these each time and then have all of your sermon notes in one place. And if you haven't had a chance, check out my video on why I take my planner to church. I will put that in the description. If you're watching from YouTube, it will definitely. So next I want to show you, these are Girly clear tabbed bookmarks. Okay. So these are the 3, and I thought these were an excellent value to get 3 page markers in one package and only pay $2 for all 3 of them. I felt was an excellent deal, and they feel pretty good, like there's pretty good quality. On this one I want to mention there's gold foil there at the top. Now, so in the planner, this is how they look in the planner. I'm using one to flag my financial section, so this is how that would look in my Filofax. And this other one is flagging my weekly section, and it looks like that. What I'm going to start with are these. These are the Her Point of View monthly tabs. So these are the Franklin Covey Her Point of View 2 pages per month monthly tabs, and this is the compact size ring bound, and it starts with a cover page, and on the back here is the monthly calendar. Then you have the January index, and at the beginning of each month is an index. And I like that these monthly pages actually have lines on them, so you can keep your writing straight. And I like the splash of color on these tabs. In the front of the planner here, what I want to do is put a family picture, so when they open the planner, it's a little bit more personalized. Now finally, to finish this off, is I ordered some name plates from, and I'll put the links to all these things, and they were very inexpensive, and it did not take a long time for these name plates to come back. And here is the finished product. I plan to give this planner to my sister. I hope she loves it. Here I'm just doing a quick flip through so you can see the final product. Please, if you get a moment, visit my website, tanyaplans.com. Please be sure to like this video. And if you're watching from YouTube, please click on one of the videos on the screen to see the next video. Thank you so much for watching.